Hey, what's up everyone? Jonathan here, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through a Kahana hub that I created that I'm planning on using to generate revenue that I am managing through my Second Brain Notion template. So I already made a video that walks through why I'm using the Second Brain Notion template we created to manage my monetization efforts, as it allows me to connect the hubs that I am planning on using to generate revenue to the tasks I have associated with each of those hubs and steps I need to take to start monetizing. But in this video, I wanted to give you another example of how you can use Kahana to create a simple digital product out of the content and files and information and knowledge you've spent time accumulating. It allows you to really quickly upload and basically data dump your information and materials into a hub, and then you'll be able to charge people to access that hub. So it's a process that really takes no more than an hour or two, and then you'll have a simple digital product. And just wanted to show you how I created one of these and hope gives you inspiration for what you can do as well. So with that, I will get out of the way on camera and we can dive right in. So I'll be showing you the Finding a Technical Co-Founder hub that I created. So the context and inspiration for why I created this hub is that I started getting a ton of questions around how to find a technical co-founder to help you build out an idea after we were able to find our technical co-founder to help us build Kahana. And so I decided to put this hub together essentially in the form of an ebook, more or less, where I have some references to look at as you're reading this step-by-step guide. And I don't really want to show each individual step because otherwise that'll just show exactly the contents, kind of reveal all of the contents of the hub. But just to give you a quick idea of how I did it, I basically created a new note for each step I wanted to list out. And then I uploaded files here on the left-hand side that accompanied the steps that I shared. And it's literally that simple. This probably took me an hour to make because all of the information was already in my head, and then the files that I wanted to upload were already on my computer or just something that I could quickly pull online. And yeah, that is literally all I had to do because this is information that I already knew and that I had already put into practice, and it wasn't doing any good just sitting in my brain. I decided to create a product out of it so that it could hopefully help as many people as possible. I will likely charge a small fee to access this because I want it to be very accessible to folks. But yeah, that's all I did. It's super simple, and you can do the same thing for any question that you are constantly receiving. You can just put the information into Kahana, and if you want to grab the Second Brain Notion template, feel free. The link is in the description, and you can start putting together your materials. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you have a wonderful day. Cheers.